If you're running a busy trade business or a service-based business in general, I'm going to show you how you can literally 2 to 5x your revenue without taking any more leads, paying more staff, or spending any more money on ads. Okay, you can implement this right now. Okay, we call this the Customer Experience OS. Let me just show you a message that we just got from a client. This is the reason why I'm creating this video. Okay, so you can see here, guys, I just wanted to thank you for your great work. I just wanted to share a good success story. Because of the reactivation, I just managed to revive a customer I dealt with over a year ago who didn't end up doing anything, but now he got a message from the AI on Friday, and then everything got approved. Thank you, guys. Well done. Okay, so he didn't even know who that guy was. He forgot about him. We reactivated his list. He got a job done, and he got paid for it without actually doing any work. All right, so yeah, Customer Experience OS. Okay, what you want is, number one, every client reviews you, refers you, and repeats. Okay, so every client turns into a referral, or a 5-star review, and a repeat client. Number two is every old lead and inquiry that didn't turn into anything reactivates into new jobs or a conversation. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Your Customer Experience OS system should contain 2 segmented lists. Okay, so if you don't have a list of either of these things, I'm sure you got your emails and inquiries. You can extract it from that. Okay, if you don't know how to do it, let me know. I can help you. So look, your database of previous clients and your database of all inquiries and leads that haven't done anything yet. Okay, so first I'm going to walk you through the previous clients. Anybody that basically does work with you, does a job with you, this is exactly what needs to happen as soon as it's done. All right, every client gets an auto review link sent post job. Okay, anything under 5 stars does not go through either. So you should have our system actually allows, if a client does any 5-star reviews or under 5-star reviews, it doesn't get accepted or approved. It just asks them for feedback. All right, they think they've done the review, but it doesn't actually go through. A client then receives a referral request once they've done that. Okay, which is completely automated and incentivized, and you need to track this. Okay, if you don't have a system to do that, let me know. There's plenty of them that can do it. So now they get a referral request, and you want to obviously incentivize them to talk to their friends, even put it out there to them, so it gives them a little bit of motivation to do it. Okay, if you want to give them a voucher, a bit of money, but they only receive it if you get the referral. Okay, client refers a friend into your AR qualification system. So if you're smart, that person simply gives their referral or their friend a form to fill out, which automatically goes into your system. New client books a job. Okay, referral gets the reward. New client goes into the same automation. Repeat. So every single client goes through the exact same thing, even your referrals coming through into jobs, into new clients, into referrals, and into repeat clients. Okay, you are going to make so much more money just by doing that. Okay, because you're getting your clients to sell for you. All right, this works, trust me. So the next thing you want is a database of all your leads and inquiries. Okay, so your old list gets sent a reactivation sequence. So basically, a text or an email going out to them saying, "Hey, you came through as an inquiry, or however they came into your business. We've got this offer right now." Okay, so create a simple offer to get them re-engaged, like a discounted service, or just a reminder to use you guys. Okay, because they do come through as an inquiry, depending on how old the lead is. A goal is to get a response. A simple one is a simple yes or no question. Okay, get them to answer yes or no, then qualify or disqualify. Okay, that new quote then gets booked in automatically once they are pre-qualified. Our AI system will pre-qualify the lead or the inquiry for you. Okay, if they pre-qualify, they can book in a quote. Jobs booked. That same person goes into the same client repeat system. Okay, this is how we get so much more business and revenue for our clients without buying more and more leads. Okay, so this will 2 to 5 extra revenue without buying new leads or begging for referrals. Okay, obviously the ideal thing is to have this completely automated. Okay, so if you want to use a system like what we've done, you can see here a bit of an idea on the workflow, right? I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but we essentially build this into our clients' systems. So every single client gets referred or reactivated, and it's automatically done, so you don't have to worry about where everybody is. Okay, and if everybody's going through the same system. Automation is key here, but what it's going to do is it's going to make you more money, it's going to save you so much time, and it's going to get your clients selling for you. Okay, if you want something like this, guys, comment reactivation. I'll send you the system that we use.